I think the education that I got and the rest of the team got through implementation definitely eased our concerns about that complexity and set us off to a good start that we could build on. You guys really teaching us and walking us through the formula errors and model building errors that we had during implementation, that really was key for us to really get going on this. I think that benefit really allowed us to go and create our own stuff after that. And we really haven't touched or redone much of the stuff that was created in implementation. We now actually have a forecast that we're tracking our actuals against from a point of sale perspective. And that wouldn't have been possible really without Anaplan. That would be in a massive Excel sheet that would definitely crash. That's the biggest example of a thing that we couldn't do before we had Anaplan. And now that's given us the ability to better forecast our sales, better forecast our inventory needs. The time needed to do modeling has definitely decreased. When we were modeling our financial forecast out of Excel, it took forever to do. Now that period is maybe a day where it was a few days in the past.